eat it, they be like, say what? It's vegan? So yeah.
Guys, it's your girl Chef Joy, and welcome back to my channel. Say what? It's vegan. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do yourself a favor and subscribe to my channel right here below. And make sure you like and share with someone who would love this content as well. Now today, I have a super special recipe, and this is something that I'm doing on a whim. I found out about a new product that I'm going to share with you all. I have not tried it. We're going to do a live review, and we're going to make one of my favorite salads that I used to make since I was 16 years old. And this is my version of a Cobb salad. Right, your girl is doing a Cobb salad. Listen, I'm still going to make it delicious, but it's going to be super easy and simple for you to make. So let's go ahead and get started. A Cobb salad is one of the first salads that I thought was fancy when I learned how to make it. It had avocado, eggs, bacon, just all these good things. And I actually remember seeing Rachel Ray on the Food Network when she made it. And this is something I used to make for my children. If you don't know, I became a mother young, so cooking was very big for me, and I just love to see the smiles on their faces. And I made a couple tweaks to the traditional Cobb salad because I was feeding young children. Alright, for this recipe, I'll be using House of Chik'n, which is going to replace the chicken. And this is a seitan base, which is soy-free and absolutely delicious. Now, if you don't want to use any vegan meat substitutes, you can go ahead and saute a mushroom. I don't know if you may want to use jackfruit or not, but do whatever it is that you feel. Just make sure it's seasoned really well. And we're also going to be cutting this in strips, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Like when I'm making like a breaded chicken sandwich or something that I want like a chicken breast, I try to make it as perfect as possible. For this recipe, we're going to chop it all up anyways, so it doesn't matter. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our vegan Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to add in my golden chick seasoning. If you have not gotten this seasoning, I highly suggest you run over to my website, chefjoysnest.com, and get you a bottle or even get you a bundle because they are back in stock. It is absolutely delicious. This is the only seasoning you're going to need for any of your vegan meat substitutes, especially your chicken. And if you have time, you want to go ahead and let this sit at least 10 to 15 minutes so it can soak in all of the food. Alright, now that our chicken has marinated for about 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add this to our pan. And we're looking for a nice texture and sear consistency. Now, remember in the beginning of the video, I said that there was a product that we were going to review on here together. I have it right here. This is called WunderEgg. This is not a paid promotion. I had never seen this before. I've tried making vegan eggs, used all the recipes I've seen online, and they were trash. Absolute trash. The texture was trash. The flavor was trash. It was just trash. So I've heard really great things about it, but I want to check it out for myself, all right? So when I see this, I was like, okay, listen, if these don't taste like what it's supposed to give, listen, we might gonna do some things, all right? Got this at Whole Foods. It was $8.99, and you get 6 pieces. And it has a little pack of black salt right here with it. And if you don't know, black salt actually gives your anything that you put in a more eggy taste, all right? So if you're making like a potato salad or tuna salad, anything that you want that egg flavor in it, add a little bit of black salt and it'll go a long way, all right? So let's try it out, and I am going to give you all my honest feedback. Like, I'm really excited to try this. Dun, dun, dun. Like, if they master this, woo, child. Because honey, when I tell you I tried several of these egg recipes on here, they wasn't right. They was not right. Let's put a little bit of black salt, not too much. Tap, 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 tap. Come on. Please be good, please be good, please be good. Hold on now. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let me turn on my chicken for a burn. Hold on. This is honestly delicious, all right? It does have I don't know if it's the almond or the cashew. Once you start getting to the middle, you can taste that. I'm gonna add a little bit more black salt, see if that helps take away some of that. But it is delicious. Like, the texture is spot on. And I'm definitely buying these again, and I'm glad I chose to do this recipe because this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. Like I said, it has like a nutty flavor in the middle, but that's okay. I definitely say go get it. Like, go run, go get them. Go get them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull off my vegan chicken. I'm gonna put it right here on my cutting board. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take some vegan bacon. Now you can use whatever kind of bacon you want. If you wanna go ahead and make you some coconut bacon, some rice paper bacon, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this smart bacon. I'm gonna add it to the same oil that I have my vegan chicken in. Don't be like me and get down to the wire with the seasons, all right? So I'm gonna add a little bit of my red house seasoning to my vegan bacon. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid smoke, just because I want a little bit smokier flavor. Not too much, I know to be super careful with liquid smoke. And I'm gonna give this a nice little stir around. I just wanted to make sure it has like that bacony flavor. Might as well give it a taste test. That's good. I didn't know that was good. That's been good. I just love how this house of chicken tears. So we're gonna go ahead and put together our salad. Like I said, it's super easy. So we're gonna go ahead and add in our romaine lettuce. You wanna make sure you put it on like a big platter. Like, presentation for this is like so important. It just makes the salad even better, right? Next, we're gonna add our vegan chicken. And the thing I love most about this salad is like all the colors. I really think that at this point in my life, like I said, I was super young. It was like just eating your colors was like so fun to me. And it was so fun with the kids. It was like, oh wow, and it looks good and it actually tastes good. Let's add in our tomatoes. So this is some cherry tomatoes, and I'm using a mixture of the little gourmet tomatoes. We have some yellow, some little brown heirloom tomatoes, and we got some cherry tomatoes. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in our red onion. Now, typically blue cheese is used in this recipe, but like I said, I have young kids. It's kind of hard to get kids to eat blue cheese. So I decided to switch it with a little bit of Parmesan. So I'm gonna add my vegan Parmesan. And then next we're gonna go ahead and add on our vegan eggs. Like, this makes me so happy, y'all. Y'all don't even understand how happy my heart is right now. Cause I'm like, oh my God. I can now have a Cobb salad. Get our avocado in here. Let's put, you know what, I might as well stick all our avocado in one space. All right. We're gonna make sure our avocado do not turn brown, so we're gonna go ahead and add in our lemon juice. And then next we're gonna use our vegan bacon bits. So we're gonna add our vegan bacon bits to this. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't tell me that this salad does not look more than amazing. Amazing. Okay. Do you hear me? I'm gonna go ahead and take this other half of this lemon, and I'm gonna sprinkle it all over my Cobb salad. And I'm gonna take a little bit of salt and pepper. Can you believe I'm only using salt and pepper? Yes, because this thing is so full of flavor already, I don't need to add much to it. All right. Next, I'm gonna add in a little bit of olive oil. This is my big, gigantic olive oil. How beautiful and delicious this looks, and it truly is. I already know what it tastes like, and you can have this entire meal on your dinner table in under 20 minutes or less. I'll link below all the details of this recipe so you can try it at home. Be sure you're following me, guys, and thank you so much, and I'll see you next time on Say What is Vegan. Ciao!